If I had to start from $0 today with no skills, no gear, and no experience, here's exactly what I'd do to start making money online this week. Step 1 is to find one thing you can learn fast. It's crucial to pick something easy to grasp. Think about basic Canva design, email writing, Pinterest management, or even AI content editing. The beauty of today's world is that you can learn almost anything for free. Just hop onto YouTube and search for How to Task for Beginners. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours a day to this learning process. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can pick up a new skill. Once you got a skill in your pocket, step 2 is to set up on gig platforms. Sign up for Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. These platforms are gold mines for beginners. List one simple service that aligns with what you've learned. For example, you could offer to create a 3-post Pinterest pack or write 100 words of AI-edited content. Remember, you're not selling your time, you're selling a result. Focus on delivering value. Now, let's talk about step 3, using AI to speed everything up. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory can be your best friends. They'll help you complete client jobs in about 30% of the time, even if you're just starting out. And the best part? Your clients will still receive a polished result. This efficiency is key to scaling your efforts. Step 4 involves promoting your services on Reddit and Facebook groups. Join niche communities related to small business, creators, or freelancers. Initially, help people for free. Answer questions, share your portfolio, and even offer a free trial to your first 3 clients. This approach builds social proof quickly and can lead to real sales. People love to see tangible results before they commit. Finally, step 5 is all about reinventing yourself and raising your prices weekly. Once you've secured 2 to 3 orders, it's time to update your gig title and double your rates. Use that initial income, maybe $50 to $100, to invest in better tools or add credits. This strategy is how I've seen people transition from $0 to $500 or more in just 4 to 6 weeks, even without prior experience. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be resourceful and consistent. Everyone starts at 0, and the journey is all about taking that first step. If you're starting from scratch, drop a comment. I'll be there to help you out.